Welcome back to Mui G Kitchen. I'm Auntie G.
I'm Auntie Moy.
Firstly, we'd like to thank Kate for our beautiful apron. It made us look so good.
Today we are cooking Soyar Prawn.
These are all our ingredients.
Let's start our cooking.
First, I'm going to make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce. Sprinkle some pepper salt.
Now that we have made the sauce, sprinkle some salt on the prawn.
Cut some ginger, spring onion, chopped garlic, and chilli. Let's start cooking. Now I'm going to heat up the wok. Once the wok is hot, I'm going to turn the fire into medium high. Okay. I'm going to add in the oil. We need more oil so that we can fry the prawns. Okay. So just wait for the oil to hot, and then we can add in the prawns. Cook one side first before we turn it over. Still so that all the onion gets the prawn. Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, that's so good.
Change some places so that all the prawn get the oil. Now you can turn the prawn. You see the prawn all same color already. Like that. Smell really nice. Smell really nice. Okay, the prawn's ready. Take out the prawn from the wok. Add in the ginger. Fry for 2 minutes, or 1 minute maybe. You can smell the ginger smell, so nice. Add in garlic and chilli. Now we can add in the sauce.
So good.
And some sugar. And some water, 1/4 cup of water. Okay, increase the fire. Now we can add in the prawns. Now can eat spring onion. Stir for a while and then that's it. It's done, it's cooked.
It's all done. Smells so good.
We can turn off the heat now. This is how you make our delicious soya prawn.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe for more.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.